In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality photos and videos on TikTok. And there are actually 3 things you can implement to increase the quality of your post drastically. And I'm going to show you all 3 ways very concisely. And the first thing I'm going to show you is this one. For this, we are going to click on the plus icon, like we are going to make a post. We are going to select a video, and I'm going to select this one. Click on next again. And in here, pretty hidden, you see more options. And when you click on more options, you can see here at the middle, allow high quality uploads. And this function, this option is like off on default. So I would say you always need to have this toggled on if you want to increase your quality. So please make sure that you have this one on, and that will allow you to upload high quality videos or photos in the first place. So this one is really good. Then we are going back, and the next thing we can do is add the profile section. So we click on profile. Now we click at the 3 stripes at the top right. Now we click on settings and privacy. We scroll all the way down, and in here we see data saver. And then we click on this, and it can be the case that this one is on. And if you want to upload high quality, then it's best to get this option off, because this option will not allow you to upload high quality, for example, 180p or 4K. When you have this function on, you will not be able to upload that kind of content. So please make sure you have this function off. And then the next thing we can do is in our camera settings. Here we go to settings. Then we click on camera, and in here you see record video. At the top there we see 180p at 60 fps. That is the default setting at my phone. And you also see that there is 4K available in my phone. And the default setting at most iPhones will be 720p HD at 30 fps. So when you increase this in your camera settings, let's say to 4K at 120 fps, and you upload this recording into TikTok, then you will be able to get lossless videos or photos into TikTok. And that is how you can upload high quality on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.